Hello everyone, Vanakkam and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a favorite childhood snack for most of us. Yes, it is Kerala style Nendran banana chips. It is so crisp and awesome, just like the store-bought ones. So today, now let us see how to prepare the most yummiest banana chips. To start with, I have used 2 raw bananas. I am just cutting the edges and then going to peel the skin with a knife. But if you are having a peeler, it is well and good. You can use a peeler to peel the skin of the bananas. Make sure to use a really raw banana to get a crispy chips just like the store. Even if it is slightly ripe, you may not get the exact texture. Now the skin is all peeled and we can now use a slicer to slice the bananas. In shops, usually the bananas are sliced directly into the oil, but just to be on the safer side, I'm slicing it now and then we will be deep frying in the oil. So now it is all sliced. See, it is very thin. If you do not have a slicer, you can also use a knife, but make sure you slice it into really thin slices. See, it is so thin. So this is exactly how it should be. Now let us start with the frying process. In a bowl, add in 1/4 cup of water. To this, add in half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of salt and mix it together so that the salt and the turmeric powder are combined very well. We will be adding this solution to the chips, so we need to keep it ready, and then in a kadai add in the oil for deep frying, preferably coconut oil. Usually coconut oil is used for deep frying, but if you are not fond of coconut oil, you may use any other cooking oil. Today I have used cold pressed coconut oil. Wait till the oil gets hot and then drop in the banana slices little by little in small batches. Make sure you do not crowd the entire kadai. Again, the amount of chips we are adding depends upon the size of the kadai. So now I am cooking in a low medium flame. Slowly turn the bananas and cook on all the sides. If there are any banana slices sticking to each other, separate it using the ladle so that we get the chips without sticking to each other. Now at one stage, the sound will be really less and the chips comes to the top of the oil. So this is the right stage. We can add the turmeric powder and salt. Mix well and add about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of the prepared turmeric powder and salt water solution. Add it to the top of the chips. Again, the amount of water that needs to be added varies based on the size of the kadai and the amount of chips that you are using. So adjust it accordingly. Always, for the first batch of chips that we are frying, we will be adding 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of the turmeric powder and salt water, and from the second batch of chips, the oil will be already having salt and the turmeric powder, so it is sufficient to add just half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder and water solution. Do not stand very close to the kadai after adding the water. There are chances it might splatter a little, but chances are very less, so be little cautious. If you observe, after adding the turmeric powder and salt, the chips gets acquired that beautiful yellow color. Mix well, flip a little and continue cooking. The time taken to cook the chips also depends upon the size of the kadai and the amount of chips that is being cooked. So to be on the safer side, always cook in a low medium flame. That is perfectly sufficient to cook the chips. Slowly, if you observe, the sound disappears completely Also the bubbles will disappear completely and the chips will be completely crisp and totally cooked. If you see now, this is the perfect stage. So now we can remove the chips from the kadai and place it in paper towels to absorb the excess oil. Now we can continue cooking with the next batch of the chips. As I said before, make a check while adding the turmeric powder and salt water. So that's it. Our delicious banana chips is now ready to be served. Serve it with some coffee for the evening snack. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. For more recipes, please visit my website. Thank you.